客家风情。
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
让我们来听听客家和世界上的节庆会碰撞出什么有趣的火花。
Hey, what's up? It's time for the World of Hakka here on ICRT. I am Joseph Lin. Now, this month, there's a celebration going on in Scotland. It's called the Edinburgh Military Tattoo. It's actually the 75th anniversary of this event this year to celebrate Scottish and international military traditions and culture through a spectacular outdoor performance showcasing music, dance, and precision drill, all set against the backdrop of the Edinburgh Castle. Now, of course, it is also an event to boost morale and to share the culture of the Scots. So, how about in the Hakka culture? I know they also have a lot of association and recognition to the military as well, whether it be the Liudui area, the historic backdrop of that, or, for instance, a festival called Yiming Festival. So, we have Mei Jiang here to tell us more about it. Hello, Mei Jiang.
Hello， 大家好，我是美嘉。
刚刚讲的一个是英国爱丁堡的军乐节，你好像说你去过，是不是？
我去过，
哇，好酷哦！
韩国人又共斗爱丁堡的军乐节啊，可是每同哈嘎客家的咪敏节非常的相像，
有一点像，对不对？要激励士气的那种感觉，
凝聚族群嘛。
没错。
那说到以前啊，朱一贵事件跟林爽文事件，那时候客家人就组成了咪用园，一起来舍身守护家园。那我们为了感谢他们，就把他们安葬在义民冢。对。后来呢，还建了咪敏庙。对。那说到传统的新埔堡总体给咪敏庙给祭祀呢，是依据 Q 拉每年祭行的春秋利用机，最大的祭祀是在 Q 拉千年总年普图，亚哈呢是 Q 拉千年年生作为义民节。传统的方式，我们会有包括了起灯锅、竖灯糕、冰水灯、放水灯等等法头。另外，在36年前呢，一群志同道合的台北客家人呢，一起呢将义民呀抢过来本地台北的客家字体做的祭拜。直到1995年，台北市政府介入，7年过后呢，由台北市政府客家事务委員會來接手，讓他呢天天用他的嘉年華嘅形式，結合傳統同創意，成為台北客家移民嘉年華。會有開檔風帆，還有義民爺跟鍾永公的繞境之外呢，還有創意嘅彩街。哇哦！然後呢，還有客家嘅日文詩詩，展現出客家文化嘅多用性哦。
太棒了！好，講了這麼多，我覺得我們開始要來教一些單字好了，包括我們一直講的軍隊怎麼說 ，military，
軍吹，
軍吹 ，and then a parade 遊行，
遊行，
遊行 ，and finally how about a carnival 就是嘉年華，
嘉年華，
嘉年華 ，learning all about the different cultures of different countries. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for listening.
什麼大家？
俺子 say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.